Meow. Lesson 45. Professor Whiskers here with Essential Phone English. You learned face-to-face conversations. Bank, doctor, hotel, shopping. Now let us talk about phone calls. Phone conversations are different. You cannot see the person. You cannot use gestures. Only your voice. Only your words. Hello, this is Sarah calling. May I speak to John? I am calling about the appointment. Can I leave a message? I will call back later. Phone English has special phrases, formal language, clear pronunciation is critical. By the end of this lesson, you can make phone calls confidently, answer calls professionally, leave messages, take messages. Let us learn phone English. Cats do not use phones. We communicate through meows and stares. Very efficient. But humans need phones. I understand. Starting a phone call first. How to begin a phone call properly. Making a business call. You call a company. Good morning, ABC Company. How may I help you? Hello, this is Tom Anderson. I would like to speak to Mr. Smith, please. One moment. I will transfer you. May I ask what this is regarding? I am calling about the meeting on Friday. One moment, please. Making a personal call. Friend's phone rings. Hello? Hi, Sarah. It is Tom. Oh, hi, Tom. How are you? I am good. Do you have a minute to talk? Sure. What is up? Calling a friend's number, but someone else answers. Hello? Hi? Is Sarah there? Yes. Who is calling? This is Tom. Just a moment. I will get her. Important phone opening phrases. This is, followed by your name. This is John. This is Maria Rodriguez. Not, I am John. That sounds wrong on the phone. Say, this is John, or it is John. May I speak to, followed by person's name. May I speak to Dr. Johnson? More casual. Is Sarah there? Can I talk to Mike? I am calling about, followed by reason. I am calling about the appointment. I am calling about the job application. Answering the phone now. How to answer calls professionally and casually. Answering at work. Professional answer. Good morning. This is Tom Anderson. Or, ABC Company. Tom speaking. How may I help you? Or, customer service. This is Tom. How can I assist you? Professional and clear. State your name or company. Answering your personal phone. Casual answers. Hello? Or, hi, this is Tom. Or, if you see who is calling. Hi, John. Thanks for calling back. If you do not recognize the number. Hello? Who is this? This is David from ABC Company. Oh, hello. How can I help you? Common answering mistakes. Do not say, yes, sounds rude. Do not say just. Hello? Then stop. Say your name. Better. Hello, this is Tom. Or, hello, Sarah speaking. Taking messages. Sometimes the person is not available. You need to take a message. Person is not there. Hello, may I speak to Mr. Johnson? I'm sorry. He's not available right now. May I take a message? Yes, please. This is Susan Williams from Delta Corporation. Okay, Susan Williams from Delta Corporation. What is the message? Please tell him I called about the contract. He has my number. So, you called about the contract, and he has your number. Is that correct? Yes. Thank you. You are welcome. I will give him a message. Thank you. Goodbye. Taking a complete message. Get this information. Who called? Name spelled correctly. From what company? If it is a business call, phone number. Even if they say he has it, get it anyway. Reason for calling. Brief description. When they will call back, or when they want a return call. Example, complete message. Let me just confirm. Your name is Susan Williams. William. S from Delta Corporation. Your number is 5550198. You're calling about the contract, and you would like him to call you back today. Is that correct? Perfect. Thank you. If you did not understand something, could you spell that, please? Could you repeat your phone number? I am sorry, I did not catch that. Could you say it again? Important message taking phrases. I am sorry, he's not available right now. May I take a message? Could I have your name, please? And your phone number? What is this regarding? I will make sure he gets the message. Now you are the caller. The person is not there. You need to leave a message. Leaving a message with a person. I'm sorry. She is in a meeting. May I take a message? Yes, please. This is David Lee. That is Lee. From Pacific Industries. My number is 5550198. Please tell her I called about the proposal. I need to speak with her today, if possible. I've got that. David Lee from Pacific Industries. 5550198. Regarding the proposal, you need to speak with her today. That is correct. Thank you. I will give her a message as soon as she is out of the meeting. I appreciate it. Thank you. What to include in your message? Your name. Slowly and clearly. Spell if needed. Your company. If it is a business call. Your phone number. Slowly. Repeat it if necessary. Reason for calling. Keep it brief. When you need a response. Today, this week, or no rush. Best time to reach you. If relevant, leaving a voicemail. You have reached John Smith. Please leave a message after the beep. Beep. Hello, John. This is Tom Anderson. My number is 550-198. That is 555-0198. I am calling about the meeting on Friday. Could you please call me back when you get this? Thank you. Voicemail tips. Speak slowly and clearly. Say your phone number twice. Beginning and end of message. Be brief. Under 30 seconds is good. State reason clearly. Sound friendly but professional. Common voicemail mistakes. Things to avoid when leaving voicemail. Speaking too fast. Bad voicemail. Hi, this is Tom. 550-198. Calling about meeting Friday. Call me back, thanks. Bye. Nobody understood that. Good voicemail. Hello, this is Tom Anderson. My number is 555-0198. I am calling about the meeting on Friday. Please call me back. Again, my number is 555-0198. Thank you. Much better. Clear. Slow. Number repeated. Not saying your number clearly. Bad. My number is. Mumble, mumble, mumble. Good. My number is 555-0198. Again, that is 555-0198. Pause between digits. Very clear. Being too vague. Bad. Hi, it is me. Call me back. Who? About what? Good. Hi, Sarah. It is Tom. I am calling about the dinner plans for Saturday. Give me a call when you can. Give me a call when you can. My number is 5550198. Clear. Who? Clear. Why? Rambling message. Bad. So I was thinking, well, I wanted to ask about, the thing we talked about, and, also I was wondering, get to the point. Good. Hello? This is David. I have a question about the contract. Please call me at 5550198. Thank you. Brief and clear. Phone problems and solutions. Common phone call problems and how to handle them. Cannot hear well. I am sorry. I cannot hear you very well. Could you speak up, please? Or, the connection is bad. Can you hear me? Or, I am sorry. It is very noisy here. Can I call you back in 5 minutes? Did not understand something. I am sorry. I did not catch that. Could you repeat it? Or, could you speak more slowly, please? Or, I did not understand. Could you explain that again? Wrong number. Hello, is this 5550198? No, I think you have the wrong number. Oh, I am sorry. No problem. Or someone asks for a person who does not live there. Is Michael there? I am sorry. There is no Michael here. You might have the wrong number. Oh, sorry. That is okay. Need to transfer call. I will transfer you to that department. Please hold. Or, let me connect you to someone who can help. One moment. Or, I'm not the right person for this. Let me transfer you to customer service. Ending phone calls. How to end phone calls politely and professionally. Business call ending. Thank you for calling. Is there anything else I can help you with? No, that is everything. Thank you. You are welcome. Have a great day. You too. Goodbye. Goodbye. Or, I think that covers everything. Thank you for your time. Thank you. Goodbye. Goodbye. Personal call ending. Okay. I should let you go. Yeah, I need to get back to work. All right. Talk to you later. Sounds good. Bye. Bye. Or, well, I just wanted to check in about Saturday. Great. Thanks for calling. No problem. See you Saturday. See you then. Bye. Bye. If you need to end call quickly, I am sorry. I have to go. Can I call you back later? Or, sorry, I have another call coming in. Can we continue this later? Or, I need to run to a meeting. I will call you back this afternoon. Polite and clear. Special phone vocabulary. Important phone-specific words and phrases. Essential phone phrases. Hold on. Wait. Do not hang up. Hold on. Let me check. Hold, please. Formal version. Please hold while I transfer you. Hang up. End the call. Please do not hang up. Call back. Phone again later. I will call back in an hour. Get back to return communication. I will get back to you tomorrow. Reach. Contact successfully. You can reach me at this number. Get through. Connect successfully. I could not get through. The line was busy. Pick up. Answer the phone. He did not pick up, so I left a message. Ring. Phone sound. The phone is ringing. Or, give me a ring. Means, call me. Busy signal. Phone is in use. I got a busy signal. Dial. Enter the phone number. Dial 5550198. Extension. Internal phone number at a company. Extension 245. Put through. Transfer or connect. I will put you through to sales. Cut off. Connection lost accidentally. We got cut off. Drop. Lose connection. The call dropped. Homework time. Task 1. Practice leaving a professional voicemail message. Record yourself on your phone. Include your name, phone number twice, reason for calling, and a polite closing. Listen to it. Is it clear? Slow enough? Professional? Re-record until it sounds good. Task 2. Write 3 complete phone conversations. 1 business call, 1 personal call, 1 taking a message. Use today's lesson as your guide. Task 3. In the comments, share your experience. What is the hardest part about phone calls in English? Or have you had a funny phone call mistake? Tell us in English. Example. Phone calls are hard because I cannot see the person's face. I practice by calling customer service just to practice. Or, one time I said I am John instead of this is John, and the person was confused. Share your phone English experience. In Lesson 46, we learn making appointments, scheduling doctor visits, booking haircuts, reserving restaurant tables, arranging meetings, appointment English, essential for organizing your life. But today you learned phone English. Starting calls, answering calls, taking messages, leaving messages, handling problems, ending calls. Phone conversations seem harder than face-to-face. No body language, no gestures, just voice. But now you have the phrases, you know the structure. You can do this. Practice makes perfect with phone calls. The more you do it, the easier it gets. Start with easy calls. All business to ask about hours. That is simple practice. Then try harder conversations. When making important calls, write notes first. Key points you need to cover. Your phone number, written down so you can read it slowly. Do not worry about your accent. Focus on speaking clearly and slowly. That matters more than perfect pronunciation. If someone cannot understand you, it is okay. Say, let me try again more slowly. Most people are patient and helpful. Phone confidence comes with practice. You are building that confidence right now. Stay calm. Speak clearly. You have got this. Meow.